Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the one more new algorithm, that is job sequencing with the deadline under the greedy algorithm here. Okay, in the job sequencing we are going to have the number of jobs here. Each job is having the deadlines, okay, and each job is having the profit also. Our intention is to get that the job should be get completed within the deadline, and that should maximize the maximum profit here. Like that I need to choose the jobs here. Okay, here the job deadline is having the 3 here. Assume like this one, I am having the 3 slots here, like 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 here. Okay, the deadline means that 2 here. Job 1 can be maximum, the job should be get completed in a 2 hours here. Okay, it can be take only 1 hour also. Okay, the maximum deadline is 2. The job 1 can be get completed in 1 hour. Okay, similarly I am having the job 2 here. Job 2 is having the deadline 2, but it can be completed in 1 hour only. Like means that job J1 can wait for 2 hours maximum, job J2 can wait for maximum 2 hours here, J3 can wait for 1 hour, J4 can wait maximum 3 hours, and J5 can wait for maximum 3 hours here. Means each job should be get completed in 1 hour only, or 1 unit only, but they can wait for 2 to 1 3 hours only. Okay, means once you get the job sequence problem here, now all the profit should be get arranged in a as in a descending order here. Maximum profit should be in first, maximum profit job will be in a second here. Okay, third will be the third maximum here. Okay, already this is in sorted order. Due to that reason I will take directly now assume, okay, job J1 is having the profit is 20 and its deadline is 2 here. Means that it can wait for 1 hour here. Due to that reason I will select this one as a 1 to 2 now. Means that job J1 can wait for 1 hour, and it should be get complete in a within 2 hours here, right? Due to that reason I will select here J1 now. Similarly, J2 is that J2 how much is having the deadline here? It should be get complete in a 2 hours only. 1 to 2 hours already occupied here. Due to that reason, it should be get complete in a first hour only. So I will select J2 here. If you went for the 3 here, J3 is having the deadline 1. Already 1 and 2 will be selected. It cannot wait for the 2 hours. Due to that reason, I will not select this one. Okay, I will go for the J3 now. Maximum deadline is 3 hours. Already 2 hours are occupied here. J4 can be added now. Okay friends, I will repeat again here, don't get confused. I am having the 4 or the 5 jobs here. Each job is having the deadline 2. Okay, each job should be get completed in a 1 unit of time only, or you can say 1 hour only. J1 can wait for 2 hours. Due to that reason what I will do, job J1 can be wait for 1 hour. Due to that reason I have taken in a 1 to 2 slot here. Okay, if you went for the J2 here, J2 deadline is 2 hours. Already 1 and 2 hours are occupied now. It should be get complete within the 2 hours here. Due to that reason I will take in a first hour only. J2 will be selected now. Job J3 is having the profit 10 only. Okay, it is having the deadline 1 hour, but the 9 to 10, 10 to 11 already occupied. Assume like this one, I started my job at the 9 o'clock here. It should be get complete 9 to 10 only. Yes sir, but it is having the less profit here. Due to that reason I have not selected this one. So it is not going to be selected because 9 to 10, 10 to 11 already occupied now. Now J4 is having the deadline 3 hours. J4 can wait for 2 hours. Okay, and it should be get completed in a 1 hour only. J4 is selected from the 2 to 3 slot here. Okay, now just to draw one table here. This will be the job sequences here. J1, J2, J3, J4, J5, or the number of jobs are here. Slot assigned will be 1 to 2. J1 I said this one 1 to 2 selected here. Take the slot 1 to 2, and J1 is the job here, sequence of the job here. Profit will be 20 now. Now J2, 0 to 1 already selected now. 0 to 1 for J2 here. Allocated time will 1 to 2 also already taken in the previous step. Job selected are J1 are selected already, and J2 is also selected. Initially I have taken the profit 20 here, and the J2 to profit will be 15. I got the 35. Similarly J3 here, J3 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Okay, J3 is not selected. This will be remain same here, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, J1, J2, and the profit will be remain same. And if you went for the J4 here, okay, slots are 0 to 1 already taken, 1 to 2 taken now. Slots allotted will be 2 to 3, 2 to 3 added here. Job selected at J4 now, 20, 15, and the 15 now. If you went for the J5 here, okay, already all slots are booked now. Okay, no time is available, so this will be not selected only. Okay, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and this will be J4 is selected. Now already we got the profit is maximum 20 plus 15 plus 5 equal to maximum profit we got as a 40. Now then the selected sequence will be, first I will pick the job J2, okay, and the J1 and J4 here. This is our optimal solution here. Okay, the solution selected jobs are J1, J2 and the J4. We will take the sequentially as a J2 first, then J1 and then J4 here. Okay. And how this algorithm works here? Very simple algorithm, friend. Algorithm greedy method here. We are going to take okay, J is the set of jobs here and will be the number of inputs here by that deadlines also. Okay, initially I will select the one job here, that will be initialization here. I'm going to take from I2 to N here. If all the jobs in a J, okay, we are going to add this one, can be completed by their deadlines. Okay, then we are going to add into the J here. Okay, algorithm is what it is telling. I will take the one set here J here, I will take one job here. I am going to add the number of jobs to the J here. If they completed their jobs in a deadline, then only I am going to add this one, otherwise I am not going to add them. Okay, this is what the algorithm is explaining. Very simple algorithm. Okay, please trace this algorithm, friends. Okay, solve the problems in a number of times, you will get understand. If you get any doubt, please contact in a WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.